Okay, guys. Oh my God, that's just beautiful. And this used to be a law office, I think. Oh my God. Okay, guys. Oh my God. I found this abandoned building. First I want to say, I can't even see where the hell I'm going. Okay, first I want to say, I found this abandoned building. It used to be a law office slash men's shoemaker place, I think. Because I remember I bought some shoes here from a guy a long time ago, maybe like 4 or 5 years ago, maybe even longer than that. And this place has been abandoned for such a long time that every single time I drive by it, I never really thought much about this building until I was passing by one day and I saw that everything was thrown, into the garbage cans or whatever. And so I started talking to one of the guys, and they're like, yeah, this is abandoned building, da da da. I said, oh, that's cool, man, that's cool. So, I'm here tonight. Follow me on Hobie Katt, Facebook and Instagram. Don't forget, show a little like, show a little love, guys. Alright, I am nervous as all hell right now, guys. I'm shaking, I'm trying to keep the camera straight here, but I'm a little nervous, guys, because I'm hoping that when I was downstairs, I thought I saw a motion detector, like an ADT, but I'm not sure, and I'm just, my heart's like beating out of my chest right now, guys. Because this place is in front of a cemetery. Yes, in front of a cemetery, guys, or graveyard. Cemetery, graveyard. Whatever you want to call it. But, okay. Okay, that's just a plastic bag. Okay, guys. Let's do this. Oh my God, okay. Okay, let's go this way. Oh my God. Remember, guys, if you guys hear anything, see anything, please let me know in the comment section. Okay, the door's shut. Oh, what the hell is this room? You gotta be careful though walking on these floors though. Oh, some construction hats. Yeah, they're doing some construction. I think they're gonna redo the place, maybe. I don't know. I don't know why there's so many plants on the ground here. Oh my God. Yeah, my heart is like racing 100 miles per hour right now, guys. Oh my God. I think we're in the law office part. Okay. Nothing to see there. Okay, let's go see. Oh, old computers and stuff. Damn, why is that? Every single place I go to, there's always an old computer. Okay. Now, I'm not sure if this ADT silent alarm thing is connected here, which I am hoping that it's not, but oh my God. Yeah, because you can see that there's like this little thing right here, but it's on. And there's a shoe repair sign. Okay, well, let's see if we can get from another place. Yeah, I'm not an electrician, so I'm not about to start messing around with wires and stuff. Alright. That seems like it's locked. Look at all this. Ooh, infamous rat droppings. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at all these. These are all like plans and stuff and buildings, houses, because I'm an old carpenter, so I know what these are. These are blueprints for housing and stuff. Schematics and stuff. Ooh. Well, let's take a trip in here. Let's see what the hell's going on. Oh my god, what is this, a printing? Yeah, this is some kind of printing, guys. If you see my camera shaking, it's because my hands are shaking. Okay? Because I'm nervous being in here. I don't know why. I'm just getting like the... Alright, is there anything? Ooh. I'm just really nervous in here for some reason. Ooh, dartboard. Ooh, no vacuum. Nice. Okay. And plus, I don't want to be showing my light too much in the windows here, because I mean, I am on a public street here. Alright, let's see. Can we even get downstairs? What's over here? What the hell are these bags? Oh, somebody's been eating, or some animal's been eating lovely. That must be like a closet. Okay. Did we go down these steps here? No. We did not. So if you guys see me cover my light, it's because... Ooh. Oh, there is a second floor. Crap. Okay, guys. Okay. Holy shit. And then there's a basement. Okay. Oh boy. Oh my god. Yeah, this is where he used to make the shoes and stuff, guys. Guys, I'm like, right now, I am so alert on this, on this ADT stuff, man. Okay. Well, let's go see if he left any shoes. Yeah, this used to be his office here, where he would make all the shoes and stuff. People used to come right through that door right there. Oh my god. Yeah, that door is like securely locked, guys, with the old bell on it. Oh my god. What is in here? Oh. Oh. Yeah, look guys, look at all the soles of the shoes and stuff right here. Oh, that's so cool, man. It's a shame, man. I think this guy passed away. I'm not sure if it was in here or if it was someplace different. Oh, look at that. There go all this shoe stuff. Oh, wow. He did leave me some boots. What? Good guy, man. Good guy. Look, guys. Wow. Remember, guys, you never want to take anything from places like this. Look at his work shirts. What? Yeah. As much as you are tempted to take a memento, don't ever do it, guys. Oh, wow. Yep, this place definitely is abandoned. That's for sure. What's back here? Oh, that's the door. Okay. Oh, redwoods. I wonder if there's any shoes. No. Nah. Wow. Okay. Well, let's go take a little peek down in the basement area, and then I think we're gonna call it. Oh, spider webs. Oh my god, this is one creepy basement. Hello? Oh my god, this is one creepy ass basement. Oh my god. Look at the dirt floors. Oh yeah, we're gonna have to illuminate this because I can't see a thing. What's behind here? Oh, look at this secret little room, guys. Oh my god. They must have kept somebody in here and they tried to escape through that hole. Whoa, that's cool. Let's see what's on the other side here. Oh, here's some lockers. Oh, that's cool. I like these. Here, I'm gonna stick you guys. Oh my god. There's more secret rooms in here. Oh my god, all these cobwebs though. Look at the size of that sucker right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's like right here. Oh, I know the spiders, they don't leave. Oh my god, there's spider webs everywhere. Oh. There's another secret room. Whoa. Labels. Guys, I am treading really lightly in here because there is freaking cobwebs everywhere. Oh my god. I wonder what this room was used for. There's more secret room. Oh, this whole computer. Oh, look, guys, more computers. What? Yeah, something is still on, though. Yeah, something is advanced hybrid system on here. Well, I don't know what that means, but okay. Where does this lead me? Okay, I'm not even gonna chance. It looks like that door is set up and rigged for something. Look at that. Oh, wow. I used to have one of these when I was a kid. Psych. Oh, wow. Look at that. The old machines to money. Okay. Oh, ooh. Okay. Alright guys, let's Let's boogie on out of here, guys. Oh my god, these spider webs are everywhere. I looked over there already. So, yeah, I think they're gonna renovate this place. I'm not sure. But the guy was talking about like demolishing. So he said the best time to come would be on a Sunday night, which is what I'm doing here now. I think I'm gonna hang out over here by the door. Actually, is there? Oh my god, there's more. What? Okay. Shit, I didn't think there was any more of this place. I thought that was it. Wow, these are really old looking rooms. There's these tiny rooms. Okay. My god, look at that. Whoa. It's like, I don't know, I guess you want to call it 50s style? What else is here? Oh, it's just... Oh my god, look at these little tiny rooms. Yeah, you gotta be careful. Whoop. Walking on these floors. Oh my god. Look at that, 84, 85, 86. Shoo. Cigarettes. Guys, I keep on hearing something behind me. Oh, that's so cool. What is this, like little apartments up here? Look, guys. Number 34. What is this one? Look, number 32. Yeah, you see that hole right there, guys? You gotta watch out for stuff like that. It's over here. Okay. I think this used to be some kind of, like, I don't know, like, I guess, oh my god. Okay, guys, I don't know what this used to be. I don't know what this used to be, guys. It looks like little apartments or something up here. I don't know. Remember, when I used to come here, I used to come downstairs to go see the guy about some boots and stuff, you know, buying some boots off of him. You know, because he'd make the boots, you know, by hand. So I always liked that. I was like, oh, those are cool boots, but I'll take them. But I've never been up here. I've never been in this place, period. This is so cool. It's like a small, like a hotel, apartment area. I'm not sure. But I keep on hearing something behind me, man. That's why I'm like nervous right now. That's why I was covering the light before, because remember, this place is in front of a graveyard. Okay, well, what do you say, guys? Get the hell out of here. I didn't know that there was a freaking, like, little apartments up there. I know. Oh, okay, watch the floor. Okay, remember, guys, a little like goes a long way. If you guys want to help support this channel, just give it a like, give it a little share, give it a, a little love, or you don't have to, just keep on trolling and keep on watching. Anyway, you guys have yourselves a good night. Remember, Hobie Katt, Facebook, Instagram, and I'm out.